Alright, so I picked up one of these steel front bumpers off of eBay. Try to throw it on the exciter. They list them for a vmax 600, so it's going to be a little wide. But we'll be altering these brackets and doing something with these and get her on there. So let's get her done. I have to get her uncovered and take a look. Alright, so this is where I'm leaving off with it for the night. There's a couple tabs under there that actually do line up the holes. That saws all that off. And move the bracket over to the other end and bolt her on. But yeah, so far, not too bad. I'll get out here tomorrow and finish her up. Alright, so all in all, there it is. They're all finished up. Wasn't too bad. I'm sure there's better ways of doing it, but it's pretty sturdy. Pretty strong. Well worth it. Super easy to lift the front end up now if nothing. Should be able to knock down the little trees. You know, you gotta get them when they're little. They grow up, they get mean. So, the hood still opens. Not too bad. Alright. Next up, I'm thinking about getting a wrap. Wrap the whole thing. I got extra panels I can do. That'd be pretty cool. Alright, see ya.